Hello, good evening everyone. So it's on the first day of Digimap for such an amazing event, giving us a platform to speak in front of all of you. So recently, we've been all made aware of the cost of goods rising, and yet some of our commitments remain the same. So especially with back to school season coming up. So that is why Union Bank and Digimap remain committed in partnership with Apple, making technology more affordable and accessible for our consumers. We began this journey with our annual iPhone launches, and we've expanded our commitment to other Apple products, especially today with the launch of the MacBook Neo. This product, combined with Union Bank's easy and flexible payment options, is designed to meet the needs of Filipinos who are searching for the right device for their studies.